Good day, my name is Arayese and this is another episode of UPhuzelani under Motion TV. Today we got written by our viewer wacela ukuthi nizomxoxela isitori sakhe ukuthi qale kanjani ukuphuza. So the story goes Dear Motion TV, I need you to read this to your people. Maybe they will understand the day I gave up on peace and opened a bottle. So, I had just started a new job. First day, I dressed up like I'm going for a photo shoot, even ironed my socks. I got to the office early, smiling at everyone, acting like I knew what I was doing. You know, fake confidence. I told him. My new boss said, relax, we are like family here. That's when I knew I was in trouble. Families fight, families gossip, and families don't pay overtime. Okay, by lunchtime, I'd already made three enemies by just breathing too loud. But I told myself, push through, you need this job. At 4 a.m., I accidentally hit reply all on an email and called my manager a human power cut because she drained all my energy. I didn't know HR was on the email too. And that evening, I didn't even go home. I walked straight into a tavern like I was born there. The barman asked, "First time here?" And I said, "Yes, but after today, I think I will become a regular." Please tell your viewers, sometimes the glass isn't for celebration. It's for survival. Yours truly, 1 foot in unemployment. I Now, as I said on my previous video, I won't judge anyone, you know. But ngizohleka. Mina ngizohleka. Yeah, so I'm looking forward, like ngicela ngitshela ukuthi ngicela kanjani ukuphuza niphuzelani. Is it heartbreak? Is it unemployment? Is it for fun? Is like ngicela kanjani? Like ngicela ngitshele. Mina I'll do my best ukuthi ngisixoxe isitori senu without ukunikhipha ukuthi ubani. Like uphuzelani, man. This is RSA on Motion TV. And thank you for watching. Till we meet again, man.